Welcome to my channel. In this video, you're going to learn how to compute for the simple interest. Okay, so let's have an example here. I have here, let's say, 2,000 pesos investment with a rate of 5% for 3 years. Okay, we want to know how much the interest for 3 years of that 2,000 pesos that you invested. Okay? So, unang-una, alamin natin what is the principal. The principal amount is 2,000, yung ininvest mo. Yung rate is interest rate that is equal to 5%. Okay? Yung interest rate na yan, dapat pag hindi kayo allowed na gumamit ng calculator, you need to change this to decimals. But if you're allowed to use calculator, it's very easy because you have percent sign there already. Now, changing to decimal, this is 0.05. And then the time is 3 years. So, ito yung interest na hinahanap natin ngayon. Okay? Yung total, alamin natin. But kung simple interest lang siya, ang gagawin lang natin, 2,000 times lang natin sa interest rate na 0.05, which is equal to 100. Okay? So, ibig sabihin sa year 1, ang interest ng investment mo na 2,000 pesos ay magkakaroon ng 100 na dagdag na interest. Okay? So, kung ininvest mo yan, ibig sabihin yung 2,000 mo ay magkakaroon ng 100, so plus 100. Sa year 2, ganun din. Maging 100 uli, sa 2,000 uli, times 0.05 uli. And sa year 3, another 100. So, ang total interest mo ngayon ay 300 pesos for 3 years. Okay? So, magkano na lahat ang final amount mo ng investment mo? 2,000 plus 300, meron ka na ngayong 2,300. Okay? So, ganun lang kadali kung paano i-compute yung interest. But then, medyo matagal pag, halimbawa, 5 years, 6 years, 10 years. So, di ba, kung gagawa ka ng table ng kagaya nito, but ito, ginawa ko siya para mas maliwanag. Okay? Na maintindihan nyo kung ano ibig sabihin ng simple interest. But we have a formula para mas mapabilis natin ang pag-compute na hindi na natin gawin yung table na year 1, 2, 3. Kasi what about if that is 35 years? Diba? Okay, so ito ngayon ang formula of simple interest. Simply, I is equal to principal times rate times time. So again, ano yung I na yan? Yun yung interest na hinahanap natin. Yung P, yun yung principal amount. Yung rate, kailangan naka-decimals. At yung time, this should be in years. Okay, so ngayon gusto nating i-apply yung formula na yan sa ating example doon kanina. Let's apply that. So hinahanap natin yung interest na kung saan ang principal natin ay 2,000. Ita-times natin siya sa rate natin na 5%, pero gawin natin siyang decimals. And then, ang time natin ay ilang years? 3 years. Okay. So, una, pwede nyong i-multiply nyo muna itong dalawa. Okay? Then, after nyan, 2,000 times 0.05, then multiply nyo ulit sa 3. Okay? So, tuloy-tuloy, pwede naman diretso na sa calculator. Kung allowed kayo gumamit, 2,000 times 0.05 times 3. Na kung saan ang sagot dito ay 300. So, yun yung interest for 3 years. Di ba mas madali lang? Kung manual naman, okay, pakita ko sa inyo. 0, 0, 0, that is 10. Then, 0. Okay. Then, so this is now 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. 1 to 1 to 100. Then 100 times 3, of course, that is 300. So, kaya 300 dito ang interest natin. So, di ba pareho lang dito? So, mas madali yung formula pag naalala nyo siya. Let's say, 10 years yan. So, hindi nyo na kailangan gumawa ng table. Okay? Multiply nyo lang siya sa 10. Now, ano naman yung formula na yan? Ito yung formula na kung saan, kung gusto nyo malaman kung magkano na lahat yung pera mo. Ibig sabihin, yung amount, yung total amount, kasama dito yung principal at yung interest. Yun ang magkasama dito. Okay? So, paano natin i-compute yan? So, ang gagawin nyo dito first, ang final amount natin, so ang principal natin is 2,000. Times 1 plus R, the rate is 0.05 times the time, which is 3 years. Okay? So, copy muna ito. So, ito, multiply natin muna itong dalawa. So, maging 1 plus, ito ay 3 times 0.5, that is 15. 0.15. Okay? So, ngayon, that is 2,000. Maging 1.15. 1 plus 0.15, that is 115. Then, multiply nyo lang ito. Okay? Multiply nyo lang yan. Ang magiging result dyan is 2,300. Yun na ngayon ang total amount na makukuha mo dyan. Okay? So, yan ang dalawang formula na dapat nyong tandaan. So, let's have an example here. Okay. Find the simple interest earned after 6 years on 7,500 pesos at an interest rate of 3%. So first, alamin natin, ano yung principal natin? 7,500. Ano yung rate natin? 3%, which is equal to 0.03. Ano naman yung time natin? 6 years. Okay, so apply lang natin, interest is equal to principal 7,500 times yung rate natin na 0.03 at yung years natin na 6 years. So, ganun lang, multiply lang yung tatlo. Okay, so kung hindi kayo allowed na gumamit ng calculator, so isa-isahin nyo lang pag-multiply. So, mas maganda multiply muna natin ito. 0.03 times 6. 6 times 3, 18, 1, that is 1, then 0. So, this is now 1, 2 decimal places, ayan. So, mayroon tayong 7,500 times 0.18. Okay? The next, multiply lang natin 7,500 times 0.18. That is 0, 0, 8 times 5, 40, 4, 8 times 7 is 56, plus 4, 60. Okay? Then this is 1 times 0, 0, 1 times 0, 0, 1 times 5, 5, 1 times 7, 7. 0, 0, 0, 5, and then 13. So, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay. So, ngayon, ang interest dyan ay after 6 years is 1,350 pesos. Not bad. If you are going to put aside 7,500 pesos investment in an interest rate of 3% in 6 years, your money will become 8,000. Yung total amount mo ngayon, 7,000 plus 1,350 na interest. So, magkakaroon ka ng 8,850. Okay? 8,850. So, ganun lang kung paano mag-solve ng simple interest. Now, here, find the principal invested if 1,500 pesos interest was earned in 10 years at an interest rate of 5%. Okay, so using the formula, hindi lang ang interest ang pwede nating isolve dito. Pwede nyo rin yung alamin kung magkano yung principal nyo, kung ano yung rate. Kasi may formula tayo na pakadali lang. Na kung saan isa-substitute lang natin yon. So, hindi na kayo mahihirapan mag-isip. Ang gagawin nyo lang, alamin nyo kung ano yung principal dito, which is unknown. Yun ang hinahanap natin. ang interest ay 1,500. At yung rate naman ay 5%. At yung time natin ay 10 years. Okay, apply natin. Instead of I, isusulat nyo ngayon 1,500. Principal ngayon ang nawawala. Then multiply natin sa rate which is 0.05 at yung time natin ay 10 years. Okay? So copy muna natin ito. Copy natin yung P. Multiply muna natin yan. 10 times 0, 5. Okay? 0.05. That is 0. 5 times 0. 5 times 1 is 5. Then 0, 0. 0, 5, 0. 1, 2. Okay, so 50. Magiging 0.50 yan. Okay? Or simply, pag nag-multiply ka, nag-move ka lang ng decimal point 1 place to the right. So 0.50. Then divide natin both sides of the equation by 50. Para ma-solve natin yung P, which is the principal. Ngayon, magdi-divide tayo. 1,500 divided by 0.50. Hindi tayo pwedeng mag-divide ng decimal. So, move natin siya 2 places to the right. Mag-add tayo ng dalawang 0 dito. So, maging 50 siya ngayon. So, ngayon, 150 divided by 50, that is 3. Okay. So, 3 times 0, 0. Then 3 times 5, 15. Okay, so this is 0. Then, mag-add lang tayo ng ilan? Tatlong 0 dito. So, 1, 2, 3. 3,000. Okay? Magiging 3,000 ang value ng P. That's the principal. Okay? For 10 years. For 10 years, ang na-earn ng pera mo ay 1,500. 3,000 ang inilagay mo. Okay? So, that's how you're going to compute. Pwede siyang rate ang nawawala, pwedeng time, or pwedeng principal or interest. As long na naalala niyo yung formula, pwede niyo na i-manipulate after substituting. Okay? So that's all for this video and thank you for watching. My next video is about compound interest. See you on the next one. Bye!